Hello everyone! Ever wondered how to increase your Facebook profile privacy? Let's jump right in. On your Facebook homepage, tap the three lines on the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap that. Tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see Audience and Visibility. Now, click on Post and select Who can see your future posts. Tap it. Choose the Friends Accept option. After that, click on Limit Past Posts. Head back to the Audience and Visibility section. You'll then want to navigate to How people find and contact you. Adjust setting as per your preference. After that, go back again to Audience and Visibility. This time, find and select Profile Locking. In this section, proceed to lock your profile. This enhances your profile security, ensuring only friends can view your posts and stories. And you're done. Your Facebook profile is now locked, and your privacy is beefed up. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.